basically 90% of advertisers are focusing on Facebook and Instagram to promote their products, which means that YouTube is ripe for the picking. What's going on, guys? 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗏 here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what I'm going to be talking about is how you can make money from a small YouTube channel. So if you have a small YouTube channel and you want to find out ways you can monetize your channel, then this is the video for you. So here's a question for you. Did you know that placing YouTube ads on your videos is not the only way to monetize your YouTube channel? Well, this should be great news for you, especially if you're looking to start making money with a brand new YouTube channel that is yet to meet the minimum requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. You probably already know or see some of those big YouTubers that make a lot of money from placing ads on the videos that they upload. However, in an effort to combat spam and in order to stop persons from gaming the system, YouTube has enacted some new rules in which you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months in order to run ads on your videos. So if you have a brand new YouTube channel and you are yet to meet those requirements, then you won't be able to put ads on your videos, and so you may be limited, or so you may think, in the amount of income you can generate from your channel. But I'm here to tell you that if you have a brand new YouTube channel, you can indeed make money from your channel even without the YouTube Partner Program. So if this is exciting for you and you want to learn how to monetize your channel, stick around to the end of this video because I'm about to share 5 lucrative ways that you can make an income from your small YouTube channel. So let's get into them. So the first method that I'll talk about is, of course, affiliate marketing. Now, I really love affiliate marketing because it is responsible for more than 90% of my overall income, because I've been doing affiliate marketing for over a decade now, so I've gained a lot of experience in this field and I love to do it on a daily basis in several of my online businesses. How affiliate marketing works is that you promote products or services that you don't own, that these products are owned by a merchant and they're looking to get more customers, so they're willing to give up a share of the profits to anyone who will promote these products for them. So you as an affiliate can sign up to an affiliate network and promote a variety of products, and whenever you generate a sale, you automatically get a commission. Now let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, this mic that I'm using right now, I do a review on the mic, so I can upload a video on YouTube reviewing the Blue Yeti mic. So if somebody is looking to buy this mic and they come across my video review and they are satisfied with the features of the mic and the benefits of having this mic, and they decide to buy the mic, if they click on the link in my YouTube video description and buy the mic, then I automatically get a commission if I am using my specific affiliate link for this mic. Make sense? Alright, so let's move on. So the second method to make money online with your YouTube channel is selling your own products or services, and specifically digital products and services such as an ebook or an online course. So if you're good at something and others are interested in learning about that specific thing that you're good at, then you can document your experience or your knowledge and package it in an ebook form or in a complete online course, and you can then promote this product on your YouTube channel. And this does not require that you have the 1,000 subscribers or the 4,000 watch hours. If your product solves a specific problem and somebody is searching for the solution to that problem and come across your video and they love the content and the value that you offer in your videos, then they will be more likely to click on the link in the description and they may buy your course or your ebook, and you'll make money from that sale. Now, I must warn you though, to create a product such as an online course or an ebook, you need to spend some amount of time and do some amount of research to find out. One, you need to find out if these are products and services that people are willing to buy. So you don't want to just create a product without knowing whether or not someone is going to buy your product. You also want to ensure that this is a high quality product that is worthy for somebody to pull out their credit card and make a purchase. So you want to offer top-notch product of high quality so that your customers will be very happy that they have invested in your product or service. This brings us to number 3. The third way to make money from your YouTube channel is that you can use it as a traffic source to drive traffic to your personal blog. So if you have a blog, then you know that in order to make money, you need traffic. But YouTube is the second largest search engine, and so you can actually create videos and divert that traffic to your personal blog where you can make money, whether from affiliate marketing again, or even from selling your own products or services on your personal blog, or you can make money from display ads on your blog, such as banner ads, which have no minimum requirements to set up. So what you do is you create a high quality video, and you want to create a video that just whet the appetite of your audience so that they want to learn more from you. And in order to learn more, they have to, of course, click on the link in your description to head over to your personal blog where they can get more information from you and where you can possibly make money from them. Which brings us to method number 4. Drive traffic to an e-commerce store to sell products. And this could be private label right products, or you could also have a drop shipping e-commerce store. It just doesn't matter. So it's no secret that e-commerce is taking over the online space. We have big giants like Amazon to the little Shopify stores that are doing drop shipping with products from China, and you can see there's a piece of the pie for basically everyone. But at the time of doing this video, basically 90% of advertisers are focusing on Facebook and Instagram to promote their products, which means that YouTube is ripe for the picking. So depending on your niche, for example, if you have an e-com store that is promoting, say for example, a back brace or evergreen products, then you can create videos that cover certain topics and then refer these viewers to your products on your e-com store where they can buy these products to satisfy whatever need or problem they want to get a solution for. In order for this method to work, you really have to be creative with the videos that you make. So let me give you a simple example. So let's say you have an e-com store that sells a back brace. Then you can see right there then that people who would buy this product are persons who are suffering from back pain and want instant back pain relief. So you could create a video on how to stop back pain instantly, and then all you have to do is explain how your back brace can help your viewers to stop back pain. You may want to do a quick demonstration with the product, and then you can show your viewers how they can go to your store and buy the product for themselves. Which brings us to method number 5, and this is you can use YouTube to build your email list. Now this method can be very lucrative and it has the potential to be the most profitable method. However, in the early stages, you will find that the needle is barely moving. Now what this method entails is that you give away something of value for free in return to collect your audience contact information. This could be their name and email address, and sometimes their phone number depending on the business that you have. So for example, you could give away an ebook in exchange for their name and email address. And the reason you're collecting this email address or their contact details is because you want to be able to follow up with them in the future. And when you follow up with them, you will provide them with more content, more value, tremendous amount of value that will help them in whatever problems or situations they may be in. And then you will also promote products and services that will help them to further solve their problems. And in so doing, you make money. And the reason why building your email list is a lucrative method is that in the long run, you get to own the audience. You may have an YouTube channel or a social media account on the web, but you don't own it. You don't own your YouTube channel, and you could make a simple mistake and your channel could be demonetized, or worse, you could lose your entire channel. So by building your email list, you get to create an audience that you own. Now, the added bonus of building your email list is that whenever you upload new videos, you can send out an email blast and tell your subscribers about your new videos, and this kind of have a compound effect. So you tell your subscribers about the new videos, they click on the link to watch your videos, so you get an influx of views right when you just release your videos, and this helps to boost your video in the YouTube algorithm. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon notification so that you can get notified whenever I release a brand new video to help you in your online business. Also, it is very important that you understand that your email list or your subscribers are real human beings and they're not just numbers adding up on an email database. So you must treat your subscribers or your email list with respect and provide them with tremendous amount of value. And don't just shove offers down their throat in order to make a quick buck. So you want to treat these subscribers just as how you would want to be treated if you were on somebody's email list. So that's basically it for this video, guys. 5 ways you can make money from your YouTube channel even without the YouTube Partner Program. So to summarize, number 1, you can make money from affiliate marketing. Number 2, you can sell your own products or services such as your online course or even an ebook. Number 3, you can drive traffic to an e-commerce store where you are selling physical products, and this could be drop shipping products from China. Number 4, you can drive traffic to your personal blog from YouTube, and then you can make money by monetizing your blog to capitalize on that traffic that is coming from YouTube. And number 5, you can make money by growing your email list, and then you will be able to send offers and promotions to those email subscribers and make money in the long run. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want you to know also that I have 6 more ways that you can make money from your YouTube channel even without the YouTube Partner Program. I've written a blog post, and you can check out the link in the description below that will take you to that blog post showing you 6 more lucrative ways. So that means you will have 11 ways to make money from your YouTube channel without AdSense. And I also have a free training that will show you step by step how to start generating at least $1,000 or more per month with your YouTube channel, and how you can replicate the process over and over. So the links to all these information and these resources are in the description box below this video. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you are here, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon notification. And I want you guys to know that I love you and I appreciate you, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.